Okay, so today I'll be cutting some logs into 50 by 100 millimeters, and let's see how it goes. I need to still clean this pile of dust, and then let's get started. You don't do this very often. When you do it, pretty much time consuming. That's the consideration. We should never always afford. But if we just think about it, spend our energy thinking about it, we can do much better only by changing the way we do it. Approximately 1 cube in 1 hour. And right now we'll be cut. I just finished the part that was already cut. So right now I'm thinking I could cut and instantly put them inside. So let's see how it goes in those slabs. So okay, 2 hours have passed, and I think I have approximately 1 cubic meter of not very superb material. As you can see, it's a little bit curved. If you see it from the side, it also is wavy. But anyways, we will use it. It's still useful for us. You can see also here, right? One is maybe half a centimeter in different sizes. So you need to send them through the planer still. This is called sex. So it took us around 3.5 hours. We took a break also, but we managed to get around 2 cubic meters, but not the highest quality. And lots of waste. I would say around half is waste. So that's it for the day, guys. Maybe next time I'll do a full day job, not a partial day.